proud of them and I'm very happy na we took those sets even though nahirapan kami. I think it's one way for us to learn more and we have to gel more because, we're not new to this but we have to gel pa more kasi this is a kind of new team. So, just have to stay humble and continue to learn. Yan lang.
Thank you. To Ara, you have a good game today. Wala pa akong stats pero you have a good game today. Sorry masasabi mo na yun nga, nanalo kayo ulit.
Sobrang saya po kasi makikita naman po sa isa't isa sa amin na nilalaban po talaga kahit nung third set nag-slow down po kami pero still masaya po kami kasi nakuha po namin.
Thank you. Okay, to Sam. Second game sa UAAP sa college. So, you think na ipagpag mo na yung pressure, especially yung nga, ang ganda ng pinakita mo nung first match?
Yes po. And mas mas kumpiyansa na din po, lalo na pagdating po sa crucial game po. Mas nalalaban ko po siya. Nawawala na po yung bigat po sa dibdib po kahit habang nasa service area po. Yun lang po.
Thank you to the birthday girl. So, yung birthday sa win, so ano masasabi mo na 2 games so far, maganda yung simula, maganda yung inatakbo ng team mo so far?
I'm very happy lang kasi maganda yung nagiging pace namin sa game and hopefully magtuloy-tuloy lang na consistent yung galaw namin.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Yun nga, second game mo against your high school teammates. Can you talk about lang din yung pakiramdam and yung naging mindset mo going up against them?
Actually po, wala na pong emotions. Wala na emotion. Hindi. Hindi po na. Wala na pong emotions. Okay naman na po din talaga kami nila Coach Jude po. Yan. Okay naman na po. And syempre hindi na po para isali. Game is game po. Labas na yung mga ganun. Yun po.
Ara sa ilang bigger role para sa this year. Paano mo lang tinetake yung opportunity and ina-embrace yung bago mong role sa team?
Siguro po hindi ko na lang po iniisip yung pressure. Mas binibigay ko na lang po yung kailangan kong ibigay na sa game and yung kung paano po kami maging isa sa team. Ganun po.
Coach, nabanggit po ni Sam nung first game after yung, kumbaga po may tendencies nga po yung crowd minsan na maging hostile or mag-add ng layer of pressure sa players. So, parang as a coach po, having handled high school players before, parang how do you keep your players, kumbaga level-headed when the crowd often goes against your players?
I always tell them that some things we cannot control. We just have to accept and just move forward. And we just have to have laser focus sa game kasi we cannot stop them eh. We can't just go to the crowd and tell them to stop. We can't stop those. I mean, if we can, sana hindi naman tayo, dapat sports lang, di ba? I wish fans are better sa ganyan kasi these are student athletes. I think it's nice to be gentle to everyone. But then again, ayun nga, we cannot control those. So what we can do is just focus on our team and focus on what's important. Yun lang po.
And for Sam, knowing nga rin yung, kumbaga, the context of this game being your former team and all that, kumbaga, entering this game, have you managed to, kumbaga, temper yung pressure, yung noise surrounding, facing like, the likes of Shaina again, Adamson again? How was your approach entering today? Like, seeing them din kanina when you entered?
Yun nga po. Sabi ko rin naman po kanina, before yung game, ang mindset ko lang talaga is mag-focus lang talaga ako. And gawin ko lang yung best ko. Kasi yun nga po, game is game nga po. Like, past na yun, tapos na po yun. And alam ko naman po, na ngayon is okay na rin naman po sila doon. And okay na din naman po ako dito. Yun na po.
Coach, through 2 games, it seems that Sam has been playing na parang higit sa age niya, parang may different kind of maturity na siya at this young. So, gano'n lang po parang luxury sa inyo na magkaroon ng ganong player at this early in her college career?
Syempre, we feel in NU, we are very lucky to have Sam with us. And hopefully, she gets to grow with us also. And yung fact na she's happy with us, nakakatabayan ng puso because kasi hindi lang siya naglalaro na maganda, she's also comfortable where she is and she is growing every day. And yun naman, masaya kami for her.
Ano lang siguro masasabi mo sa growth ng mga, ikaw person tsaka ng mga former teammates mo given na nung high school nag-champion kayo, marami kayo pinasabatas ngayon, iba't ibang journeys na kayo ngayon sa college with Atos and then ano na masasabi mo sa growth ninyo?
Syempre po, I'm happy naman po for each and everyone naman. Kasi nakikita ko naman din po sa kanila na gusto din talaga nila. Though kahit nakakapos, gano'n naman po talaga eh. Like kahit sa amin din naman po, pwede rin kami makapost every time. Pero hindi po namin nahayaan mangyari yon. Pagtatrabahuan at pagtatrabuhan po talaga namin. Yan po.
For Ara and Vance, siguro, kasi maraming tao nagsasabi, syempre nung nawala si Bella, si Eliza, tsaka yung mga other seniors nyo, parang nag-iba talaga yung NU team na to. Pero para sa inyo, malaki ba yung naging difference and para nyo, siguro tinulungan pa rin na maging ganito pa rin, successful pa rin yung NU kahit nga nagbago na ng tao sa loob?
For me po, wala naman pong nagbago kasi lagi naman pong sinasabi sa amin, kung may mawawala, may papalit naman po. Which is, ano naman po kasi, same lang po kami lahat ng skills. Kung anong kaya ng seniors namin na nawala, kaya din po namin.
Yeah, for me din is talagang merong nawala kasi iba yung impact nila sa team namin eh. Pero ngayon kasi nakikita ko din sa team namin is kaya namin din kung ano yung naiwan nila na dynasty. So kaya din namin bumuo kami ng team namin na ganun. And also happy lang din kasi kami kasi yung seniors na graduate na is madami kaming natutunan talaga sa kanila. Especially sa kanila Ate Bel, Ate Alay, and also Ate Erin and Ate Sheila.
Coach, 2 games yun si Ate nagsa-start. Sila yung parang kahapos mo. Just, how did you get them, especially sila yung player like Rams, to prepare and buy in dito sa nilalatag mo for them? And how do you think are they responding sa ganitong klase?
Well, I'm very lucky to have two very talented players, of course. But I make sure na they get to play kung sino yung kailangan ng team, kung ano yung kayang ibigay ng team, lahat ilalagay namin. Kahit sino pa yan. Kung mas effective yung isa muna, pwede naman yung isa. We want this to be as panalo ng isa, panalo ng lahat. As long as effective yung nangyayari, bakit tayo mag-change? And I know naman na whatever happens, everyone is ready para mag-help sa team. Just in case someone is off, kaya naman ng iba. So I know that this team understands what the needs of the team are, and I know that all of the players we have in this season will help us out throughout the season. This is going to be a very long season. So there are going to be transitions with players coming in and out of the bench, and we just trust whoever is going in. Kung talagang sila muna, everybody is going to support because we are trying to let them understand that we should clap for others when it is not our time yet. Ganun lang kami. So we try to support each other whatever we can and give our best when it's our time. Yan lang. Thank you.
3 matches in 6 days. Your next game is FDU. So how is yung fitness ng team based sa pinakita nyo sa first 2 games? Maganda. So what can you say?
Syempre management talaga siya. This is not just a challenge for me, but of course it's a challenge for all of the teams in the UAAP. So we just prepared, and yung mindset talaga namin is ito na talaga yung mangyayari. We cannot do anything about this, but manage our stress, manage our recovery, because recovery is also equivalent to training. So that, and also we have to practice din yung pag-scout sa kalaban and just do kung ano yung best din namin on Saturday. Yan lang.
And to the birthday girl. So, yun nga. Happy birthday. Yung, siyempre, dahil iba, ito nga, yung umpisa ng season nyo, sa loob ng less than 1 week, 6 na matches. So, yung sabi ni coach na ma-manage yun naman. So, what can you say?
Yun nga is more on recovery dapat talaga kami kasi alam din namin na sunod-sunod talaga yung games namin na mabibigat and 2 days lang yung gap. So, I think after din naman ito is makapag-recover lang and game ulit ng Saturday.
Alright. Congrats.